Ensure a secure and fair testing environment with AI-powered proctoring that autonomously detects anomalies, ensuring every assessment maintains integrity. Right now, manually supervising tests can be challenging and time-consuming, making it hard to identify cheating or suspicious activity in real time. AI-powered proctoring offers cutting-edge surveillance, autonomously identifying anomalies and guaranteeing exam integrity with unmatched sophistication. To access this feature, navigate to the Settings tab of the test and then to the Proctoring panel. Here you can see available proctoring features such as video proctoring, audio proctoring, full screen, multi-screen detection, and many more. Simply toggle on the features you wish to include in your new assessments. This system is designed to enhance your hiring process by ensuring hiring of top quality candidates for your company. Remember to save your changes when you are finished. By leveraging AI, you can confidently ensure that every assessment is fair, transparent, and free of misconduct, without the need for constant manual intervention. Ready to safeguard your assessments with AI? Enable AI-powered proctoring on VCP and ensure integrity every step of the way.